It's different because this is what you want to do now. You're learning what you want to know and to make yourself better.
Many industries don't offer a path. They offer a job, but I feel through this Tech Academy we can show them a clear path to a great career.
Performance Tech Academy is a little bit different than most trade schools, especially in the area.
So in the Tech Academy we have two kinds of students. Our primary student is the student that is already an employee of one of our dealerships. The other student that we've had here over the last two winters, we've been able to bring in students that have had absolutely zero experience working on cars.
We have offered a couple of programs to the high schools that give them an opportunity to possibly get a job, not just with us, but with maybe somebody else, changing oil, to get them in the door to start building their skills, even at the ground level.
So I am Simon Gallivan. I am a maintenance technician here at Performance 𝐬𝐭𝐞 Honda because I wanted to get into a career that I knew I could grow in. Coming from a retail job, I decided I want to do something, whether it be welding, some trade, and I enjoyed working on cars before. Not a lot of prior experience. That's when I decided to do automotive.
My name is Matthew Sprouse. I'm 20 years old. I'm a lot more confident than I think I was even a couple months ago. It's skyrocketed.
The parents are kind of leery, like, why are you offering free training? Why is this a thing? You know, so we bring them in and we invite them to come with their students to tour the facility. This is what we have. This is what we're offering. So, you know, we're investing in your child just as much as they're investing in us by wanting to work for us.
The instructors are very good at the Tech Academy. I do appreciate everything they did, especially someone with no prior experience. Going into it, they do a lot of teaching from the basics and working their way up.
Performance Tech Academy is very much a situation that we can bring in students and we can do a lot of hands-on, but we also have an opportunity to send the kids back to their dealerships in the morning. So it's a half day here in this building, a half day in their shops. What they learn today, they can apply tomorrow in the dealerships. And that's just something you can't get at a local vocational school.
Any person that I would recommend for the Tech Academy would be someone who is willing to learn.
Confidence or not, if you want to learn more, if you want to advance, this is probably the best way I've gotten to personally experience in doing so.